Hello, and welcome to MSI TV, and the first in a series of e-learning product videos. My name is Kobe McDougall. I'm Director of Non-Slab Sales for MSI. On behalf of the National Marketing Team, as well as Emily Hawley, Director of Trend and Design, we'd like to welcome you to this discussion and presentation on Eden Dolomite, the newest addition to our porcelain tile lineup in 2020. So I think it's safe to say that the demand for white marble looks merged with porcelain technology are in the highest of demand today. And digging deeper is the demand for the beauty only found in Bianca Dolomite marble. Our team could not be more excited to introduce this new Eden Dolomite product line to you, as it captures and delivers the very essence of what can only be found in that white Bianca Dolomite marble. Truly an exceptional opportunity, and one in which that we believe is going to prove out to be one of the largest opportunities for you to grow your business with MSI in 2020. So with that, let's take a closer look at the product line itself. The coloration is both spot on and unmatched, and its ability to deliver this beautiful milky white surface tonal color with accents of both gray and warm creams. The product will be delivered in two formats. The Workhorse in a 12 by 24, available in both a matte as well as a polished finish. It will also be available in a large format tile option in the highly sought after 24 by 48. With both lines will come a coordinating 4 by 24 bullnose, but the story of Eden Dolomite doesn't end here. It can only be completed when we talk about the successful pairing of our Eden Dolomite porcelain tile line with our Bianca Dolomite natural stone mosaic line. Truly a match made in heaven. And with us today is Emily Hawley, Director of Trend and Design, who's going to highlight and tell the story of the pairing between Eden Dolomite porcelain tile and Bianca Dolomite natural stone mosaics. Emily?
Thank you, Kobe. Eden Dolomite is really beautiful. And as a complement, we have many natural stone mosaics made of the real Bianca Dolomite marble to complement those. Geometric patterns and white and gray palette is really, really important in the design world right now. We're seeing that trend up and become a really popular look. I'm going to tell you today about a few of my favorite mosaics to complement the line. First up, we have Geometrica. This bold X pattern is really unique and really makes a statement. It'd be the perfect complement when using Eden Dolomite porcelain throughout your whole home and stepping over into the Geometrica as your master bathroom floor. Or perhaps it could be used behind the mirror wall as a great statement piece. Next up is the Bianca Chevron. It is a classic look that's been twisted into a unique way of the herringbone. For those of you that are looking for a warmer version, we have a couple of mosaics to fit that bill. First up is Sicily. It's a really unique floral pattern of the Dolomite mixed with a really beautiful cream marble. It would make a really nice fireplace surround, maybe a shower floor, paired back with that porcelain tile, as well as the Crema Dotti. Again, warmer colors are really trending up. Have you heard of Sunwa Chic? That's one of our top 5 trends for the year. In addition to the mosaics I already highlighted, there are many more shapes, patterns, and sizes to coordinate back beautifully with the Eden Dolomite porcelain line.
In closing, both Emily and I, as well as our entire team, would like to thank you for tuning in to MSI TV today, as well as allowing us the opportunity to introduce, again, our newest offering in porcelain tile and Eden Dolomite. Our hope is that this message, and particularly this product line, will resonate and become a relevant part of your stocking profile, your design story, and fingers crossed, specified on your next project. Again, thank you for watching MSI TV. Please be on the lookout for your next e-learning product video, and beyond all else, please have confidence and sell more MSI products.